One Up on Wall Street is a best-selling book written by Peter Lynch, a renowned investor who managed the Fidelity Magellan Fund from 1977 to 1990 and achieved an average annual return of 29.2%. The book is a practical guide to investing that provides valuable insights into Lynch's investment philosophy and strategies. In the book, Lynch emphasizes the importance of doing your own research and analysis, investing in companies that you understand and that have strong growth potential, and maintaining a disciplined and patient approach to investing. He provides practical advice on how to identify good investment opportunities, how to evaluate companies using various financial ratios and metrics, and how to navigate the ups and downs of the stock market. One Up on Wall Street is an accessible and engaging read that provides valuable insights into successful investing. It is an essential read for anyone interested in learning about investing and achieving long-term financial success. Here is a detailed summary of each section of One Up on Wall Street by Peter Lynch. Part 1, Preparing to Invest. Lynch emphasizes the importance of doing your own research and analysis before making any investment decisions. He argues that the best investment opportunities are often found by paying attention to your surroundings and analyzing consumer trends. Lynch provides practical advice on how to identify good investment opportunities, including understanding the basics of finance, reading financial statements, and analyzing industry trends. Lynch also emphasizes the importance of understanding the psychology of investing. He discusses the role of emotions in investing and how they can impact investment decisions. He recommends avoiding investments based on rumors and paying attention to your own instincts and intuition. Part 2, Picking Winners. In this section, Lynch delves into his investment approach, which emphasizes investing in companies that you understand and that have strong growth potential. He argues that investors should focus on finding 10 baggers, or stocks that can increase in value tenfold or more over time. Lynch discusses various types of stocks, including slow growers, fast growers, cyclical stocks, and turnarounds. He provides insights into how to evaluate companies using various financial ratios and metrics, such as the price-to-earnings ratio, PE, price-to-sales ratio, PS, and return on equity, ROE. Lynch also emphasizes the importance of doing your own research and analysis, rather than relying on tips from others. He provides examples of successful investments he made by identifying undervalued companies with strong growth potential. Part 3, The Wall Street Jungle. The third section of the book explores the dynamics of the stock market and how to navigate its ups and downs. Lynch provides practical advice on how to avoid common investing mistakes, such as following the herd or investing based on rumors. He also discusses the importance of patience and discipline in investing. Lynch provides insights into market cycles and how they can impact investment decisions. He emphasizes the importance of maintaining a long-term perspective and avoiding short-term thinking. Lynch also discusses the role of the media in the stock market and how it can impact investment decisions. He recommends avoiding the hype and focusing on your own research and analysis. Part 4, The Final Score. The final section of the book provides insights into how to manage a successful investment portfolio. Lynch emphasizes the importance of diversification, risk management, and the role of cash in a portfolio. He provides guidance on when to sell stocks and how to identify potential red flags that could indicate problems with a company. Lynch also provides practical advice on how to manage a portfolio over time. He recommends reviewing your portfolio periodically, rebalancing when necessary, and being patient and disciplined in your investment decisions. Overall, One Up on Wall Street is a practical and accessible guide to investing that provides valuable insights into Peter Lynch's investment philosophy and strategies. The book emphasizes the importance of doing your own research and analysis, investing in companies that you understand and that have strong growth potential, and maintaining a disciplined and patient approach to investing. It is an essential read for anyone interested in learning about successful investing and achieving long-term financial success. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel for more informative content.